Kid-friendly fried rice is a quick and easy meal that kids love to eat. Not only is it tasty, but it's also a great way to get kids to eat their vegetables. In this post, I'll show you how to make kid-friendly fried rice in just a few simple steps. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups cooked white rice. 2. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 3. 1/2 cup frozen peas and carrots. 4. 1/2 cup diced ham or cooked chicken. 5. 2 eggs, lightly beaten. 6. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the frozen peas and carrots to the skillet and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender. Add the diced ham or cooked chicken to the skillet and stir-fry for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until it's heated through. Push the vegetables and meat to one side of the skillet and pour the lightly beaten eggs into the other side of the skillet. Scramble the eggs until they are cooked through. Add the cooked white rice to the skillet and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until it's heated through and slightly crispy. Add the soy sauce to the skillet and stir-fry for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until everything is well combined and evenly coated. Taste the fried rice and add salt and pepper as needed. Serve the kid-friendly fried rice hot and garnish with chopped green onions, if desired. Tips: 1. You can use leftover rice for this recipe, or cook fresh rice and let it cool before stir-frying it. 2. Don't overcrowd the skillet when stir-frying the vegetables, meat, and eggs. 2. This will help them cook evenly and quickly. 3. You can customize this recipe by adding other vegetables like diced onions, bell peppers, or broccoli. 4. Use low-sodium soy sauce if you're concerned about sodium levels. 5. This recipe can be doubled or tripled to feed a larger crowd. In conclusion, making kid-friendly fried rice is a simple and delicious way to get kids to eat their vegetables. With just a few basic ingredients, you can create a flavorful and nutritious meal that your whole family will love. Give it a try and enjoy. Like and subscribe.